The Greenworks 3000 PSI Pressure Washer is powered by a robust 14-amp TruBrushless motor, capable of generating a maximum of 3,000 pounds per square inch and 2.0 gallons per minute for optimal cleaning power. This model is PWMA Certified, meaning all water pressure and flow rate claims have been independently tested and verified, ensuring the power promised is what you receive. The heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump guarantees a performance superior to gas-powered alternatives, making this electric pressure washer a reliable and efficient choice. With its JettFlow technology, the Greenworks 3000 PSI Pressure Washer delivers up to 50% more flow, allowing it to reach higher areas and provide quick power rinsing. It is designed with durability in mind, equipped with a rugged metal gun and a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose, and includes 15, 25, and 40-degree tips, plus soap and turbo nozzles. Given its high review score of 4.4 and over 600 reviews, this pressure washer is a popular choice among users, selling approximately 1,000 units per month.